20 megapixels Live MOS Sensor. Always-on connection and background connection via Bluetooth OI Share smartphone app. Flip-down monitor and dedicated selfie mode. Selfie mode automatically turns on when monitor is flipped down. In-body 5-axis image stabilization capable of 4.5 shutter speed steps of compensation. 16 art filters, 31 types. Includes new instant film for a nostalgic feel. Digital zoom. 2.0 multiplier _x. Optical zoom. 3.0 multiplier _x. Top reviews from the United States. This is a winner as far as I can tell. It's my 5th Olympus camera, and what I like about this is that Olympus has packed some of their most current technology in a compact and easy to carry camera. It's also easy to use. I really appreciate being able to produce excellent images in a remarkably small camera. For walking around or hiking, this camera is a delight to use.